So this is what the other side was like this.
Yeah.
Hang on, I'll zoom back a bit. So the other side, this is what the other side was like. And
And the plants that, just to let you know, the plants that they want to get rid of are the robinia, which is those plants. This
yeah, all these, like what we've got at home.
And they just...
But they're like a weed here.
Yeah.
So
Obviously stinging nettle there.
this was all, oh yeah, the stinging nettle's fun.
But this is
So this is our pile from yesterday. So we cleared that, it was like that.
Yeah.
So we cleared this bit, and all here, from here, was like straight across to there like that.
It was a walled.
Yeah.
It was a walled garden.
So we've made this huge area here. We want to keep these. I think they were elm or something.
No, they were...
Patrick wanted to keep those.
No.
Oh, I think they were almond.
Oh, they were a nut.
Some nut.
Acorn or something.
So we've done all this. And then we were throwing it over there.
Yeah.
But yeah, made a big. And this got destroyed by a storm
This
in the 90s or
talking-
80s. The pigeon.
pigeon tower.
This is the pigeon tower. Yeah. So this got all the little pigeons used to sleep in these holes. And it had a staircase around the outside so you could
Yeah.
tend to all the pigeons. So they're off the top of the roof. The whole thing just caved in from the hailstones are so big that it destroyed the whole roof. You can't, it's so thick, the walls, they're like a metre easily thick. But yeah.
And just out here, we've just cleared up to here, so we're sort of working to the other barn, aren't we?
Yeah.
Just over this way, to turn around here. We're just working our way that way.
Yeah, we want to
Try and clear as much
clear
as we
these
can.
up to the walls and
Just get rid of everything.
yeah. Because I had to bring a few big trees down here. It's a base of one. Because it was destroying that roof over there. Yeah, so we'll get back into it, I think.
Yeah.
We're getting
Unfortunately, I
close.
don't have
We're getting closer to a wall. We found a wood pile here,
that. Yeah.
which means the wall's just there.
Yeah.
Now we've got to get through all that.
Yeah.
But we have cleared all this was like that. So we've got a whole area and found another wood pile. But yeah, we're getting closer. Should be nice tonight's dinner. We're going to have a visitor from another chateau that is from England, and they do restoration work here as well. He's inside one of the buildings where the animals used to stay.
I can only stand at the moment because I can't bend down because I pulled too many at once and then I felt my back twinge. So
That's all right. You just walk with the loads that I pick.
yeah, all I do is career. So you pull and I pile, and that's our pile over there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
good size.
Oh, it's getting bigger. Yep.
That light rain is nice. It's quite warm still. Anyway, we'll keep going. Yeah, I want to free that window there like this one. Yeah. Beautiful countryside here.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Great space.
Yeah. So I'll keep pulling weeds out and stuff. Yanking these out like this. Oh, it's a bit hard to manage. You have to
And basically hand them to me, and then I just walk them over there.
Yeah.
So we've got a bit of a system. Because we were both doing this, and we found that it was taking longer because we were walking backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards.
This is all skinny metal. And
Oh, yeah, and that's...
through your
It's horrible.
raincoat. Bloody hills.
Yeah.
But if you're careful, you can...
Yeah.
It just brushes you. It doesn't get in.
But all these little succulents, or whatever they're called, they're almost just on the surface. Because see the roots? They actually aren't very big.
A lot of them pull out not too hard. It's
I'll
like
give you
just
that. I'm going to go over.
pulling, like drag them out.
Yeah.
Now, we'll just keep going. Keep plodding along.
What did you just find? Blech. What did you just find?
A giant snail.
Show me. Oh my god. That's huge. That's massive. Now to eat it.
Head down.
So we've just come back, having a break. It's about 12:30, 1:45, and we've been pulling them out for a few hours now.
I had to get my beanie off. My head was bloody like a boiled egg.
Yeah. We're just having a drink and
A little tiny beer.
mini beer.
I don't know how to buy beer here. This was a 4-pack, but the bottles seem to be...
It's very cute, actually.
But I had this beer with Patrick last night, and Stuart and you, in the kitchen, and it was a normal stubby.
You must have picked the wrong one. Maybe there's different.
I think in the slab here, they must be a little normal size.
Sorry, you got the light behind you. So we're just having something to drink, bit of a relax,
Yep.
bit of sparkling water, and back to it.
Here's a nice one.
Here's one. Look at that. Oh my god.
Oh, look at that one up there. That's like red. It's really red.
I've got to beat the birds.
Look at those. God, there's figs, chestnuts,
I'm in heaven.
all the things that cost a fortune back home.
Oh, there's one. Oops, I just broke it, sorry. Oh, it's got flies in there. That's okay. That's enough.
Now there's one up here that's really... Oh, look at that one. Grab that one. That will be nice and red inside.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Yeah. The best bit is the really red bit.
Mmm.
Just get that bug out. That's enough.
That is a massive fig tree. Oh, look how ruby sort of red those are, Munch, up the top.
No more.
I can't zoom in. Can you hold my stubby? Thank you. I'm going to zoom in. Now, where is it? Up there. It is so... Oh, look how dark red that is. So yummy. It is just covered in them. Oh, the bird's got that one. Are you full?
My fingers are sticky now.
Bright yellow. Getting through it. We found a wall and a wood pile. It was all like that. You couldn't see anything. I've got to pull that down. That's what it was like in there. I don't think we'll be doing any of that with.
No.
We're going tomorrow morning, so.
Yeah.
But we got a lot done.
We've got a lot done.
All that. You can see the door now. You couldn't see that door and that wall. Yeah. Yeah, looks good.
What the hell?
You having fun? There, and here's my fridge. Here's my fridge. And yeah, get my little beer cool. That's where the animals used to go. See the way the floor over there has little gutters for draining all the wheeze and the boos out. Yeah, it's really cool.
Hands up in the air. Hooray! We made it to the corner.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah. Oh, looks really cool, doesn't it?
Yeah. What a massive job. I mean, that's what we were doing. We were going through almost like a forest. We haven't even got to that side yet. But this side, let me just turn around to show you. This side now is all open up. We couldn't even stand in here before. That's our pile from here. But we couldn't even stand in here before. Now we can touch the back wall.
Managed to do today and yesterday, but it's a lot. Yeah. Nice to see that corner.
We didn't get to show the last bit, which was a quick drive to the supermarket to get a few essentials before we settled in for the evening to a beautiful cooked meal by Patrick and Stuart. And also we were joined by Tony and Jane from their YouTube channel, Not Quite a Chateau. We had such a good evening. We wanted to stay an extra night, but obviously our plans didn't allow us. So maybe next time we will stay a bit longer. It was so nice there.